Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and today this is going to be about my hair color and where I got it done. The last color that I used for my hair is the Glamworks shampoo hair color. I used the mahogany hair color for that brand and it turned out well. I love the result. But of course, my roots are already starting to show up. It's starting to grow. That is when I know that I need to color my hair. And usually I do my own hair at home. I'm just super annoyed with the roots, and there's like black here and then red for the rest of my hair. I just hate how it looks. Since I don't have the chance to do it myself right now, I really need to go to the salon. For this video, I'm going to be featuring Wow Salon. And the reason why I chose Wow Salon is because I went there a few years back for an emergency. I had like a fashion show for a Valentine's Day event. All the salons were already closed, or some of them are fully booked. I had no chance to go somewhere to get my hair done. The only place that was near me was Wow Salon and David Salon. And when I went to David Salon at that time, it was actually evening, so like all of them were almost closed. I bought my own box of hair color, which is a Revlon, or like, no, it was L'Oreal. So I brought my own box. It was L'Oreal something. It was a blonde color. So I was gonna do it at home, but I was in a hurry to prepare for some other important things in preparation for the fashion show. So what I did was, I just went to the salon. I just looked for a salon, and luckily Wow Salon was open and they accepted to color my hair, and I used my own box. And it was good. The service was really good. The staff were really nice. After a few years, I went back there to have my hair colored again, and I chose the shade Light Flaxen something. It was like a blonde, like an ash blonde color. I'm gonna insert a picture right here of the color. It was, a lot of people said that it was light, but like 50% of the people who saw my hair really loved it. It was blonde. It was really nice. So the purpose of this video is to show you guys that you don't really have to spend thousands to get a nice hair color, especially if it's just like a normal brown or like a mahogany color. That's very easy. If you're going for a very ash blonde, ash brown hair color, a lot of more expensive salons do that kind of hairstyle. But actually I think Wow Salon does that as well, but it requires them to bleach your hair. So if you don't want to bleach your hair, just go for something that what I did. I originally wanted ash brown or ash blonde, but since I don't want to use bleach for my hair, I opted for something that is darker but still light. So the next clips are going to be from 2 days ago, and I'm going to show you the whole process, but it's just going to be a voiceover because I don't want to be vlogging there the whole time. Everyone's busy, everyone's just doing their thing there. I don't want to bother anybody, and plus I'm still not used to vlogging outside. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this hair color, then just keep on watching. Guys, so it's currently 1 p.m. and I'm going to Wow Salon, and I'm gonna change my hair color. So I went there last night and I asked their fee for, oh my god, marble. I asked their fee for my hair, and this is considered as long for them. So they're short, medium, and long, and anything longer than above the shoulder length is already considered as long. So the fee is 600 for this, for the whole head, and I think I'm gonna choose blonde or like a light ash blonde. The last time I went there, I got light flaxen blonde. So yeah, I'm gonna go there and we will see how it's gonna turn out. Just waiting. So this is the book where they show the hair colors, the different choices, and this is the brand called Eyelash. I think it's a Korean brand. Well, I asked one of the staff there, they said it's a Korean brand. I'm not really sure, but these are all the hair colors. As you can see, there's so many different choices, and I'm going to show you guys the color that I used before. It's the very light flaxen. This one, as you can see, it's an ash blonde, like ash brown, and it's really nice. I'm going to show you guys a photo of me when I use this hair color. It's really nice. And this is the one I was talking about, the light color. So this is my hair before the whole process. It's kind of reddish, but you can't see in video, but you can definitely see the roots. It's really long already, so I need to retouch. Ugh, I hate that my hair looks two-toned in this video. The top part of my hair looks black and everything else is just a different color. Ew. Okay, so here he begins to put the towel around me, so this is going to protect my shirt from the hair color, and then he's going to put something, another one on top of that, so I'm not sure what it's called, but you're gonna see it in a while. And this is me giving my hair a last look before it transforms into a different hair color, so goodbye two-tone hair. Here, as you can see, he's parting my hair into 4 sections, and he's grabbing like small sections of hair so he can start with one area at a time. So that's what he's doing right now, and I just lost my voice. So yeah, that is the first step, and I'm asking what he's doing, and I'm just curious about every step, so yeah. So he begins coloring the back part of my hair. At this point, I still don't know exactly what he was doing. So you're gonna see when he starts to work with the sides of my hair. I don't know if you can see, but he started to apply the hair color with a brush first, and then he went ahead and massaged the hair dye into my hair. So I think this way your hair is going to absorb the hair dye a lot better. So after he finished the back part of my hair, he then moved on to the sides, and then after the first layer, he is working with the second layer now. So he is working with thin layers of my hair, and as you can see, he left the roots of my hair like 1 to 2 inches of my hair from my scalp. And then this, I asked him what it was for. He said he's going to break the line between the dark color and the light color, so it's going to make the line disappear. So this is just one of the strategies that they use, and I like it because if I'm gonna do it myself, it's impossible to fix the two colors, and here he is just trying to fix the annoying line that I totally hate. So if you're watching this, if you're gonna color your hair at home, you really need to do this step. And yeah, again, this is to break the line between the two colors. Here he's doing the exact same thing. He's applying the hair dye strategically into my hair, and I originally thought that they're just going to apply my hair dye in just one go and then wash it, but not. They're actually trying to make the color even. In some other salons, I've experienced that they just apply the color in one go, and it's very quick, and it just, I mean, the result is just very blotchy and it's really not even. And by doing this, working with small layers first, and then fixing the line between the roots and the previous hair color, it just really works. And then here he showed me the pink bubbles on his hand, and that is from my previous hair color. I think some of the hair color from my mahogany color came off, and actually that's a good thing because at least some of it is coming off, and the hair dye will be more effective, I guess. So here, as you can see, he's just combing my hair. Sometimes he will massage the color with his hands, sometimes with a brush. So it's really a nice service because they're not trying to hurry or doing it quickly so that, you know, to save time. But you can really see the effort that they're putting into my hair. So I really like it. If you bring your own hair color, they will do the exact same thing. Here, as you can see, he's just taking a break behind me, and we're just waiting for the hair dye to take effect. And as you can see, he left the roots without hair dye yet because that is going to be the last step, I think, because the hair dye can stay on the roots for a long time. So this was after he took a break. As you can see, he went back to my hair again and check if the color is already even. And then he will go back to it and then re-blend the hair dye. So as you can see, it's still creamy on top of my hair. So sometimes he will add more, sometimes he will take off some excess hair dye. So he's really trying his best to make my hair color as even as possible, because this step is a bit crucial. Because no, well, it's actually really crucial, because if you make a mistake, you might end up with a blotchy hair color, or if not, the color on top of your hair will be very light than the rest of your hair, and you're gonna go back to the two-tone hair again, and you don't want that. So this step is, again, it's very crucial. Now, I have to say that this step is the most uncomfortable step in the whole process, because he is applying the hair color directly on the roots. So the hair dye is touching my scalp. And normally when I do my hair at home, I try to not apply the color on my scalp. So I try to really avoid that. And I always try to make it look even and apply it on the roots, but I don't apply the color on the scalp. I don't massage the hair dye on my scalp as much as possible. I try to keep it like even 1 centimeter away from my scalp, but as much as possible, I don't want any hair dye to touch my scalp, because first of all, it burns. It's so painful. This was painful. It was burning my scalp, but he only told me, yeah, tiis ganda. But yeah, it's not his fault, because I think this is a normal procedure when you're doing the hair color. But personally, if I'm gonna do it myself at home, I'm gonna try to avoid to get any hair dye to touch my scalp by any means. So yeah, but that is just only one downside. The result was really good, so I can't even complain. Plus, it was super affordable, so